In this video, I'll show you how to download ZBrush on your computer or laptop. ZBrush is a professional digital sculpting and 3D modeling software widely used to create highly detailed 3D models and characters. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to the official ZBrush website. Once the website opens, go to the top and click Try. And here you're going to click Download. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. Wait for the installation process to finish. And this is how you can download ZBrush on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.